Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out using your camera on Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So you want to go ahead and locate the camera here on your phone. In your case, you might find this red camera here on the lower right hand side. In my case, I have a different one, but I have both cameras. But let's open up the camera that comes with your Samsung Galaxy phone. So once you open the camera, you want to ensure that you're on photos, right? And here to zoom, you have those numbers right above the word photo. So to zoom in, you want to click on 3 and it will do 3x zoom. As you can see, it zoom into this is the car here. And from here, you can do extra zoom. So if you look, once you click on 3, you can even bring it up to 20 and even 30. Now you can even bring it to 10 and you can even bring it to 1 or even to zero point 0.6, and it will look something like that. So to zoom in and out, you can bring it to 3, you can bring it to zero point 0.6, or you can bring it all the way up to 30. And once you decide what you want, all you have to do is just go ahead and snap the picture here. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.